Welcome to French et Voilà. So today we're going to talk about alphabet, okay? I think alphabet is the basic in every languages, okay? So I just want to make sure that you have the correct pronunciation, the correct sound for those letters, okay? So let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. This is really difficult for English people. R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So you can pause the video and try to repeat it, okay? Now, we're going to go letters by letters. I just want to make sure that you have it correct, okay? So we're going to start here. What is this? 5 seconds. A. Okay, A. B. B. C. C. D. D. E. E. F. F. G. G. H. H. I. I. J. J. K. K. L. L. M. M. N. N. O. O. P. P. Q. Q. R. R. S. S. T. T. U. U. V. V. W, W. X, X. Y, Y. And Z, Z, okay? So you can go back to this slide here and just make sure you have it correct, okay? So just practice, practice, and practice. I can do it quickly for you. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, okay? So repeat, repeat, repeat. You can also watch other YouTube videos. There is good YouTube videos to practice alphabet too, okay? So leave us comment below. Tell us how you're doing, how you're finding those videos. Is it helpful for you? Thank you very much for your time and have a good day. Bye-bye.